Tina here from Melbourne, Australia with another Auslan lesson on how to sign Australian Sign Language. Today we are learning how to sign animals. Farm, cow, duck, chicken or chicken, pig, sheep, horse, goat, bear, bee or fly, mosquito, same, camel, zebra, gorilla, caterpillar, elephant, monkey, lion, tiger, kangaroo, giraffe, snake, lizard, seal, so penguin, walking like a penguin, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, platypus, spider, shark, fish, crayfish, crab, yabby, same, crocodile, mouse, pelican, koala, possum, octopus, dog, cat, frog, snail, love this one, donkey, rabbit. Subscribe to my channel so you can get updated whenever I upload a new lesson. If you want to learn how I teach people how to sign and make money from the comfort of my own home, click the link below this video. I will see you on the next video. Ciao!